guys, today we're gonna do
a slime challenge!
Yeah!
Let's get started!
Yeah, so we are gonna need glue,
Yeah.
baking soda, contact solution, food coloring, and glitter.
I forgot these.
Oh yeah, and the bowl.
And this.
And a spoon and a measuring cup.
Yeah.
So first we take the glue
Yeah.
and we're gonna pour it in this
I
cup.
want to do it.
You can pour it in here and I'll pour it in here. 1 cup of glue.
That's a lot.
Alright, you pour it in there.
It's really heavy.
After we put in the glue, we need 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
Yeah.
Grab the other spoon. Not that one, the other one. And fill it up and put it in the bowl. After the baking soda, we do food coloring.
I do the food coloring.
Okay,
Put it in here.
No, you're gonna just drop it. Which color do you want to add in? Blue, green, red, or
I like
yellow?
red.
Go ahead. Grab it. Add the contact solution.
I want to do that.
So I think it's only, hold the spoon, put it over the bowl. 1 tablespoon of contact solution. Let's hold it straight. Okay, pour it in. So let's be extra and add some glitter. Should we do red glitter? You think so? Okay. Red's your favorite color?
I do mine, we do yours, okay? Put it in.
Okay, put that in.
We put in the glitter.
Once we put all the ingredients in, what do we do next?
Mix it. With this?
Whichever spoon you want to do.
I like the little one.
Okay. So once we're done mixing, which I'm not really sure what slime looks like. Does this look like slime to you? Maybe. Let's feel it. Let's see how it feels. Should we just grab some?
I think so.
Oh, this is, I don't think this is.
Ew, it's sticky. You can add this kind of soup now.
We're gonna add some dish soap because it's not holding together like we thought it was gonna be.
It's green. Can I mix it?
Yeah, you mix it.
Is this big one?
No, use the same one you made.
Mix it now.
Let's see.
Look, it's getting slime. It's getting so cool.
It's sticking a little better. Let's put a little bit more. Sit down, you have no pants on. Okay, so we added a little bit more soap and maybe a cup of baking soda. And it's actually a thicker consistency, right? So let's try it. Let me try it. Should I try it or do you want to try it? Okay.
It's sticky.
It's sticky? Grab some. Is it sticky? I mean, it's almost. It's still all over my hands.
My hands are not clean.
But, what are we missing? How can we make our slime slimy and not so sticky?
Oh.
I'm going to eat you.
I believe.
Oh my god. Okay, so this was an epic fail. I mean, I don't know if it's supposed to sit or what. I got the directions off of Google.
Yeah, look, water.
So we're just gonna put this
it.
to the side.
Yeah.
And I actually found on top of the fridge an old slime box that we need. And it says just add water, but guess what? I don't have the directions, so I don't know how much water, but let's test it out, see if we can get some slime today.
Okay.
So they gave us 2 little packages, which we'll mix together.
Where are those slime?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll open
slime,
it up.
guys.
Pour yours, put it in here.
This one's mine.
Ooh.
This is. Almost got it. There.
Put it in here. I got a fork to mix it. Okay, you can mix it. Let me add a little bit of water. We'll add a, hold on, no, let me do it so that we don't overdo it. Okay, mix.
Let's mix it.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if we can get some slime today.
Oh, wow. Yes.
We need a little bit more. I mean, hopefully we get some type of slime today, right, Tai Tai? Yeah.
It smells like Play-Doh. It smells like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
Can mix it. Why are those things? Wait, is that a mystery one?
Mm-hmm.
We don't know what it. We don't know what it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ew!
This one's a little ooey gooey, but it's not sticking to my hands, which is, I mean it is, but.
How are we gonna put it back in?
I'll put it back in.
Yeah.
Just drop it in.
Stop it?
Mm-hmm.
No. Wait. You can.
So it's kind of slimy.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
You can, yeah. We made slime!
Yay!
Not the way we wanted, but we got something. I'm really upset, guys, that this one didn't turn out right. Is it supposed to sit?
Maybe.
I like the feeling of it in my hands.
Yeah. Yeah. It was turning into both.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed our epic fail.
And don't try this out.
Because if you do, it's gonna turn out like goo.
Yeah, badly.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye. Like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.